Hey Todd, we're in the 40s right now, and the Patriots have had so many victories in the last 2 decades that our sample size of parade weather is getting bigger. So I was wondering, how will this stack up? Boston may approach a record high of 65 this afternoon, but just 2 years ago when we were celebrating the victory in Super Bowl 51, it was a mess. Snow, sleet, freezing rain down here. Still, people came down for the parade, and there actually were some school closings that day in Maine, which made it a little bit of an easier decision for parents wondering whether or not to bring their kids down. They did have to drive through a little bit of a mess to get here. Go back 2 more years to 2015, that was the beginning of a crazy stretch of snow in southern New England. 16 inches of snow fell in Boston the Monday after the Super Bowl. They had to push the parade back a day just to clear the streets, and people had to stand on snowbanks, and it was just a crazy winter scene here that day in Boston with snowballs flying around and all sorts of fun. Then you go all the way back to 2002 after the first victory, and temperatures were in the 20s with a gusty wind. It felt much more like 10 or 12 during that parade down here that day. Today, obviously, going to be very different, and I know not everybody likes warm weather in the winter, but I think at least we all can agree that if we're going to have it be this warm in the winter, might as well time it on a day when people are trying to get outside and enjoy a parade, which is what we'll be doing down here in Boston today.
Yeah, exactly.
I think people could definitely agree with that,
Yes,
Ryan.
yes.
Yeah.
All right, thank you, sir. We'll talk to you again a little bit later.